Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos to come and give this video a thumbs up, because in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a mini try on haul. If you're an avid SHEIN shopper, then you guys know they have different subset stores on the website. So one of the collections that I love shopping from is the SHEIN SXY collection. They always have cute pieces, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys specifically in this try on haul. So let's jump right into it. Now as the seasons begin to change, I wanted to start getting a few fall pieces. So the first item I have is this one shoulder jumpsuit, and for reference I am 4'11". I'm pretty short, so a lot of these pieces are slightly long on me, so more than likely I am gonna go get them tailored. But I really did like this jumpsuit, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on me. Now what I did was actually wear some of my highest pair of heels to give you kind of idea of how like the pants flow out and lay. They are wide leg, but they have like this ombre brown green color to it, which I thought was beautiful. Definitely screams fall. So you know, as the temperature starts to drop, still want to show a little bit of skin, but definitely want to go into those fall color schemes, and this jumpsuit just definitely screams and gives fall. Now in this haul I actually have 3 jumpsuits. I'm actually wearing one right now, which we'll get to next, but the next one I absolutely love. It kind of has like this suit look to it. I love the whole collar detail, and again it's long because I'm short, but I thought this was really flattering on me. The only thing that I would probably do when I go get it hemmed or tailored is kind of adjust the waist. Now I'm someone who doesn't have the longest torso, but if you're someone who has a long torso, I think this would really suit you and your shape well. This is also another wide leg jumpsuit pant style, and it has pockets. I love that. And the waist part kind of looks like as if it was already pants to begin with. It does have some belt loops around it, but it is stretchy too, so it does have good tummy control, and like I said, very flattering with a suit look going on. And the last jumpsuit I have in this haul I'm actually wearing, I absolutely love this. The color is bomb, definitely gives fall. Again, wearing some of my highest pair of heels with this. I do like this is also wide leg, has a zipper detailing in the front. Kind of gives like this army detailing or cargo style with the pockets on the side. But I love it. Another great jumpsuit to get from the SXY collection. Next I have this overlap pocket dress. Now this is actually considered bodycon on the website, but the material doesn't really give what you would think for a bodycon dress, but it is pretty fitted, and I do like the overlap pocket detailings that it has on the front. The zippers do open, so they are functional pockets, but this is a really cool dress. I can actually see this paired with like some black booties. It kind of gives like this workwear slash like cargo style in this army green khaki color. I'm not sure if the camera's like picking up the true color, but I love this dress. This is a perfect dress to wear as you kind of transition into fall, especially when it's like not too cold, because I'm here in Texas, y'all, and it's not quite cold yet, so I can definitely like force this fit right now, because it's just giving that one little period right before it like actually gets cold. So like I call it summer fall, so I love this dress. Now my next item might actually be taboo, because a lot of people say that you're not supposed to wear white after Labor Day, and it is after Labor Day. But I love this top. I actually wore this when I was in Arizona. I didn't really take any pictures or videos in it, but I just paired it with some black trouser shorts, and the bow detailing on the front is really nice. Definitely would suggest wearing nipple pasties if you're gonna wear this top. Although it is pretty thick, it's not thin for like your nipples to show through. You still wanna have some sort of like support and coverage in the front area, because as you tie it, it is gonna slightly be open in the middle. But I think this is a very cute little dainty top that you can dress up or dress down. And last but not least, I have this really fun 2-piece set with a rose detailing on the top part. This is kind of bodycon material, but I love it. It has good stretch to it, and you guys know I love mixing and matching 2-piece sets, but this together is a really cute outfit. And I like that the pants have this like ruching detailing on the butt. It is so cute. They are a little long on me, but like I said, I actually paired these with some really high heels, and I wouldn't suggest rolling them up, and I probably wouldn't get them hemmed, but because they are bodycon, they kind of like hold to my shape, and it's not like dragging too much, but it does flare just a little bit at the ends, which is perfect for if you want to wear like platform heels like I paired it with. But this is a really fun 2-piece set, and I can honestly see myself wearing this shirt with other like jean skirts. But yeah, love a 2-piece set. Alright, and that concludes this haul, you guys. All the items that I wore is in the description box down below for you guys to check out. And everything that I had on was a size small. I kind of am in between sizes right now, like a small and a medium. But for reference, I am short, so most of the items are pretty long and I will more than likely get them hemmed. But for most part, everything in today's haul was a size small and they fit pretty good. So like I said, make sure you guys check out Shein's subset stores because Sexy collection is definitely one of my favorite ones that has all the hidden gems that look really good, okay? Most of the items that you guys see me on Instagram or TikTok with is usually from the SHEIN SXY collection. They just have the cutest little subset stores. So that's my tip. Whenever you're shopping on Shein, look at the individual collections or subset stores, okay? And as you shop on Shein, make sure you guys use my coupon code right here for money off your purchase. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.